Welcome to Daily Discount Channel. Before we continue with today's discount, please subscribe and enable notification on our channel to get updated discount products every day. For today's discount, we have Cuisinart MSC-800 Cook Central 4-in-1 Multi-Cooker. Original price, $365. Discount price, $199.95 per January 1, 2021. Make sure to check our website for the latest prices and discount. Here are some highlights of this product. 4 programmable functions. Slow cook on high, low, simmer or warm for up to 24 hours. Roast it from 250 to 450 degrees for up to 6 hours. Brown, saute with temperatures up to 500 degrees. Steam. One touch lets you switch modes when recipe calls for combination cooking. Removable 7-quart non-stick cast aluminum cooking pot with teflon coating. Dishwasher-safe cooking pot and lid for effortless cleanup. Includes reversible roasting, steaming rack. With the Cuisinart Cook Central, you can do it all without firing up the stovetop. Brown ingredients in the Cook Central and then roast or slow cook with one button for effortless one-pot combination cooking. Presets, time, and temperature controls make it simple to slow cook, roast, brown, saute, or steam alone, or in combination. The Cook Central makes dinner time easy and programmed ahead of time so your meal is done exactly when you want it, with the Keep Warm feature making sure heavy commuter traffic doesn't mean your meal will be cold. The cast aluminum pot is also removable and non-stick for easy clean-up, no matter how slowly you roast sticky pulled chicken. For more details about this product, please check the link below. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to Daily Discount Channel for more videos like this.